Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're gonna look at these Amazon Basics. They are Hex dumbbells, Hex because 6 sides on them. They're rubber coated, they come in a variety of weights. I'm gonna use the 10 pounds with you and tell you all about them. Now first off, these are great for a variety of exercises. You can work your shoulders very easily. You know, a lot of times I'll do 3 sets of 7, that's all I need. Take a little break, and then maybe hit it again later. Obviously, very well known, it's just doing arm curls. Again, 3 sets of 7. If you want to challenge yourself, do them both at the same time. It's a little bit more blood flow. Pretty fantastic there. And obviously, if you want to go all the way to the ground, you can pull up, work those triceps. And Amazon Basics makes a great quality product. So let me go ahead and show those up close for you. And yeah, there's a lot of things that you can do with your dumbbells. Overhead press and wrist exercises. You don't realize it, but if you get carpal tunnel or just have some physical ailments, well, this can be a great workout. So Amazon Basics provides great quality workout equipment for great prices. Pick the weight that's great for you. Order today, you won't be disappointed. And let's get those summer beach bodies going, folks. These are absolutely amazing. And you can never have too many dumbbells, too many different sizes, so maybe order a few. They're absolutely amazing. Way to go, Amazon Basics.